So we're in Carlet, which is to the south of Valencia, and the purpose of this video is for Damian to show us around this project, because it's built with a precast concrete structural system. It's a new system and it's got lots of advantages. It's a fabulous project.
Good morning. As John said, the particularity of the house is that it has been done with a structural concrete, that is prefab concrete. As you can imagine, it's done in an industry in big pieces, and after that it's mounted like a puzzle.
So it's a modular system, isn't it?
Yeah. It's designed in big pieces and mounted with a crane in situ. And let's go inside and I will explain you the advantages of the system. Welcome to the house.
So this is it's nearly finished, just to give the context. It's about 2 months away from being finished, is that right?
Yeah, a little bit less.
Okay.
I hope 1.5.
Right. Okay.
So this is the hall. As you see, we have a staircase. It's a 3-level house. Let's go to the main.
I love this open plan kitchen, living, dining room.
As you see, we have a really big space with a nice kitchen. An island is not finished. As you see, it's not covered yet. Open to a big terrace. We have pool. And if you come outside, I will explain you which is the really difference of this house.
Yes.
Because interiorly, it's a really nice house. It's big.
Yes.
It's comfortable. But the difference is this.
Yeah.
This makes the really big difference of this house.
Okay.
As you see, we have really big pieces. All these white pieces are made with white concrete. It's a prefab concrete which has been done in an industry. Big pieces of almost 12 meters length and 4 meters high. We are working in white. We have 2 different textures on this project. Obviously, we can choose that. It's a really nice texture. And here we have 3 main advantages. It's quite quick. We are saving time. You know, this is a big house. It's a 500 square meter house. So if we work with traditional concrete structure, maybe we could spend around a year doing this kind of beams and this really big structure. And in this case, we are talking about weeks. Quality,
I agree.
Can you see this?
Yes.
Perfectly finished.
And also, let's just remind ourselves that this is the panel itself. So there's no plaster rendering, there's no rendering, either inside or out. There's no painting, nothing to be done. This is the finish, and it's a beautiful finish, high quality finish.
There's no maintenance.
No maintenance either. Absolutely.
Exactly.
Both inside and out.
It gets older perfectly. We have used this system since 15 years ago. And if you visit our works, they are as new.
So we got speed, quality, and the third big advantage?
It's price.
Price, yeah.
Yeah, it's price. Because the relationship between quality and the material is perfect. As you see, if you imagine a traditional way of construction, making these big beams, it requires a lot of money.
Yes.
It requires a lot of work.
Because these panels are created in the factory, in controlled conditions. There's no drying out time. The weather can't interfere with you. They're precision designed.
There's any risk for accidents,
Absolutely.
Here in the works, as you know, usually you work in difficult conditions, and you need to provide security conditions to the people who's working, that you avoid completely that on an industry. So the price, it could be much more cheaper.
And also it lends itself to energy efficiency.
Yeah. We are insulating from the interior.
Yes.
And the exterior, we are talking about around 20 centimeters of concrete, which has a really high resistance. As you see, even on interiors, we can leave the concrete seam.
So this is the whole thing finished, and this is how it leaves the factory.
Yeah.
So there's nothing to be done except enjoy it like this. So we've got the ribbed version here, and we've got the smooth version here. And then I remember, Damian, you can also have this coloured if you want to. You can have the concrete coloured before it leaves the factory.
Sure. We can choose between 10, 20 kinds of texture, and there's no limit with the colors. You know, we can work with white or gray concrete, but after that, there's some additions for having the color we want. And the last thing, you know, you can design as you want to. There's a lot of possibilities which allows us to make really nice designs, as you see at this house, in which the 3-level house, it seems quite light and it seems like floating.
Lovely, I agree. It's a very, very attractive, modern design. And these banana trees, this is something of a signature, a feature of yours. I love them. I'd love to have banana trees growing in my garden.